Breaking news coming in. Bombay High Court has set aside special court order remanding former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to judicial custody, remands him to Enforcement Directorate custody till 12th November. So till 12th November, Anil Deshmukh will be in Enforcement Directorate custody. That's the latest coming in. Remember, this is in relationship with the charges against him, the extortion charges against him. The Bombay High Court has gone ahead and set aside special court order that is remanding former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to judicial custody and now has remanded him to Enforcement Directorate custody till 12th of November. Bit of a setback coming in there to former Maharashtra Home Minister. The charges against him are that of extortion. This is the Maharashtra Haftagate story we're talking about right here. The charges are of extorting money. The Bombay High Court has set aside the special court order of judicial custody. Vidya is now joining us live. Vidya, this effectively means that now Anil Deshmukh will be in Enforcement Directorate custody till 12th of November. What next as far as Anil Deshmukh is concerned, and walk our viewers through all the extortion charges against former Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh.
Well, Anil Deshmukh was sent to Arthur Road prison yesterday. Remember, he was sent to 14 days of judicial custody, and it was following this that he was sent to Arthur Road prison. Now he'll be taken out of the Arthur Road prison again, will be taken to the Enforcement Director's office where he'll be interrogated further. Additional Solicitor General who was representing ED told the court, the Bombay High Court, that the order which had been passed by the Sessions Court, the holiday court yesterday, was bad in law, and the fact that there have been huge cases of financial frauds are involved, just 5 days of custody is just not enough. They needed more custody, and for a fair investigation to be done, they needed more custody. Well, Vikram Chaudhary, representing Anil Deshmukh, conceded that they did not want to argue on the law points. They said on the merits of the case. They said they'll do that in the Sessions Court the next time, on the 12th of November. So that's one of the reasons why immediately in the morning, when this entire case was mentioned before a holiday court, Justice Jamdar was specially called only to deal with this case, that Justice Jamdar gave further custody of Anil Deshmukh to Enforcement Directorate. Now the ED will be investigating. Remember, they have been saying that there's a huge web of companies and the trust that is involved in Anil Deshmukh's case, wherein the extortion money that was taken in from many businesses, that was, through various channels of Hawala, they were sent to his private trust, that the trust that he was running. So there are various and the fact that ED has been stating that Anil Deshmukh is not cooperating. Remember, they have told almost everywhere before the High Court today, as well as in Sessions Court yesterday, they kept telling the judges that Anil Deshmukh was not really cooperating. He has not been telling them about each and everything, though he concedes a few things, but he refuses to speak of any further. So the fact that he is not really speaking to them further, that's the reason why they need his custody further.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Vidya, for joining us with the very latest details right there.